Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a drone tour of the Parasitic Beach Club in St. Anne. Wonderful development, a massive development. Now, there is so much going on the North Coast hotels. Billions of dollars being invested in hotels, thousands of hotel rooms. But also going on the North Coast is the building of villas, one bedroom and two bedroom apartments, which are perfect for Airbnb. I mean, the tourism industry in Jamaica is just gone to another level, and the North Coast is leading the way. Now, Airbnb is a huge market, and Jamaica is cashing in on it like any other country. So a lot of these developments, people buy them for and rent them out as Airbnb units. So even though Jamaica only has 30,000 hotel rooms now, but that's going to go to 50,000 very soon. And at the rate this government is going, it's going to reach 80,000 very soon. We have a lot of Airbnb, a lot of units that can be used as Airbnbs coming up. Thousands of them. And the North Coast is the preferred spot. So this is the Parasitic. It's located in Richmond, and anybody who is familiar with Jamaica, the North Coast, I should say, would know that Richmond Estate is the nicest complex you will ever find in Jamaica, probably the Caribbean. It set the standard for which other units have been built, like Draxhall. Draxhall has used the Richmond model and built thousands of homes, thousands more under construction. This development probably will be based on the Richmond model too, because it set the standard for housing on the North Coast. In Jamaica, actually, it set a high standard. Guys, check out the videos that we have done on Richmond Estate. I must say, job well done. All right, now this is a very nice development. And if people are interested in getting into the Airbnb market on the North Coast, this is one for you. Richmond Estate sold out. Even the ones under construction sold out. Draxall, as they put the units on the market, they are sold out. This one, I don't think is sold out yet. The last time we checked, they had units for sale still, but it's probably going to be sold out very soon. But this is a massive development. This is just phase one. They're going to be doing 5 phases. This thing is so big that it's going to have 3 private beaches. So this is definitely a very nice development. So you guys can check it out. We will do an update video to in probably a couple weeks to find out if they're still available and the pricing that they're going for. Alright, so we're just going to give you a little history about this development and then the type of units that they have for sale. The aim of Parasitic Beach Club is to achieve excellence and exceed expectations in all aspects. The club was conceptualized to fill a demand for luxury boutique residences that exudes pristine quality and air of perfection. The beach club will be located just from prominent development Richmond Estate. Parasitic Beach Club was first only a thought that became a dream, then as time passed it became a reality. The owner and CEO of the company wanted to live in a luxury beachfront property in a community formulated to provide the ultimate level of convenience. So we're going to tell you about the units that they have now. So you have the Ruby, which is a 3-bedroom home. You have the Onyx, which is a 3-bedroom duplex. You have the Emerald, which is a 2 and 3-bedroom condominium. You have the Sapphire, which is a 1 and 2-bedroom condominium. And that seems to be it. When you look at the floor plan, this is just phase 1 of the development. It's a massive, massive development. They didn't say how much it's going to cost to build, but if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. And also, if anybody knows how many units are going to be in the entire development, you can let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the tour and leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.